homes, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, and this is about a story where I made a popular giant to switch from plastic straws to paper straws. Let's go. So recently, in the last week of March, I visited an outlet of Bigg's Burgers. Bigg's is a Indian fast food franchise, and they focus on burgers, and they do make really good burgers. I placed my orders, which included a mojito, and I received my orders, but there was something disappointing that I found in it. The mojito I ordered had a plastic straw placed in it. Now it was disappointing because of three reasons. Number one, paper straws are easily available and they are much more eco-friendly than their plastic counterparts. And number two, although more expensive than the plastic straws, paper straws are really cheap, and a popular fast food outlet like Bigg's can easily afford them. And number three, I wasn't given an option to opt out of the straw. The straw was already replaced, and if I had an option, I would probably skip out of the plastic straw and just sip the mojito directly from the cup. But I wasn't given that option, so I decided to get their attention about the issue and in a polite tone and proceed to solve that. I figured there were two best ways to do that. Hence I made a tweet with the photo I took of the plastic straw and an Instagram story of the same, and I tagged the Bigg's Burgers in both of them to make sure they notice it. One of them worked, and I got a quick response from their social media team. One of the people who was handling their Instagram got back to me and inquired about which outlet it was and that they're looking into the issue. So I decided to check on it later, being happy with the response I got, giving them some time to solve the issue. 1 week later, I had my driving test, and I figured it was a good time to check back on that now that they have got a week to solve it. And I placed my orders again and made sure to include a mojito to have a straw. And to my satisfaction, it was a paper straw. So my operation was successful. A lot of credit goes to Bigg's Burger for being so cooperative and solving the issue. And I did post the driving test and get my driving. Now, if you're wondering what's the point of making this video? Well, it's to make a point. The point is, if you find something that's wrong and it's bothering you, don't just sit back and feel bad about it. Do something about it, and it might just work. It will work for me. And the best part is to solve the problem yourself. But sometimes you may not have the power and resources to do so. In that case, the best option is to complain. But you gotta make sure that you're complaining to the right people in the right way. Taking my case as an example, I'm a small content creator. I don't have enough power or resources to convert the plastic straws in the outlet to paper one. So I complain. But Bigg's probably wouldn't have noticed my complaint if I didn't tag them in the story. And Bigg's probably wouldn't be happy to cooperate if I used foul language and or a smear campaign. And they wouldn't be able to solve the problem if I didn't help them out with the information they needed, like which outlet it was, etc. Also, if instead of taking to social media, I took the issue to the management of the particular outlet, the chances of it working was less, because they wouldn't have any incentive to solve the issue. Taking it to social media meant some higher management noticing the problem and then instructing the outlet under them to solve the issue to maintain their overall social image. And for that, I'm grateful. So, hopes be better, have a sustainable lifestyle, and help others to do so. Subscribe to my channel for more similar videos, hit the bell notification so that you get notified when a new video comes up. Links to my other social media accounts and other useful links in the description below. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, matane.